Hi everyone, welcome again to this new session of Ubidots Live. I am Maria, IoT developer advocate at Ubidots, and I'm here with David, my colleague, IoT specialist here at Ubidots too. And today we are happy to announce our latest feature, which is called Magic Links. Basically, this new feature helps us improve the management of end user on our IoT application using Ubidots. Here, David is going to be with us today, giving us more tips and tricks about Magic Links, how to use them, how to create it, and also the use cases where this feature can be applied. So, David.
So, Maria, thank you so much for having me again here. I need to tell that I'm a bit on a flu, so my voice is not going to sound as well as before. I'm just kidding. As you all know, Ubidots has two sizes. Okay, one is the admin portal, where you can manage all of your dashboards, devices, users, your app customization, everything from admin portal should do. And then on the other hand, we have end users app, where our customers access their data with certain roles, permissions, and all related to user management. So as Maria told you, we are adding a new feature for that end user management called Magic Links. Okay, so this is a really new way, and it facilitates how your customers are going to log into your application. I think it's best to show you. We are going to show you a little narrative about a use case we thought of, and then we're going to jump in and show how it works. It's really easy, intuitive, and it's going to do your user management easier and more presentable.
Perfect. So let's show them this little narrative here.
Great. So I hope you are seeing this all right. Yeah, we all have a lag, I know. So let's get started. The narrative is let's suppose Mike, who owns Winterfell, a company. It's a company on the energy rental equipment for, let's say, music festivals. It's actually what we're going to say in a minute. He contracts his application with Ubidots and white labels as well. Okay, so he needs people to install or monitor whatever equipment he is renting of. So to monitor how is the consume, how much gas is spending, or if the energy is correct among the different rental equipment. So Winterfell uses Ubidots to monitor the uses of their equipment, a data that is used for both billing and maintenance purposes. Okay, so that's what Winterfells do with Ubidots. But once he rents an equipment, let's say a plant, energy plant, for, let's say, a music festival, he provides his equipment with like a shipment. He rents the plant energy, and along with that, he pastes a QR code. Okay, the QR code is just a backdoor access to his application, where the people using the rental equipment is going to access to see the data being transmitted to Ubidots. As I told you before, this data could be energy consumption, gas consumption, or any other temperature. I mean,
any data related to the IoT application they are working with.
Any data that his devices are transmitting to Ubidots. And then the end customers, in this case being the people renting the devices, can scan the QR code and immediately go to Ubidots and see the information in Mike's app. That is really important. It's not Ubidots, it's Mike's app, custom branded to his look and feel, and just as he wants to put it. Beyond this, actually the QR code is just a way to access. We also have an actual magic link that is an URL, and we are going to show you that right now. I hope the narrative is clear enough. But yeah, let's jump on the on the Ubidots side. Okay.
So here we are.
Okay.
The mouse is yours.
The mouse is mine. My precious. Someone in the Lord of the Rings would say. So we go to users. And you can find the
Winter visitor.
Winterfell visitor user. And you can find also the Magic Link future right here on
But also before like jump into the Magic Link, do you know? Would you like to explain a little bit more like organizations and users itself?
Okay, yeah, some context about what is organization, users, and permissions. Okay.
For those who ever don't know about Ubidots.
Great. As I told you in the beginning, Ubidots has two sizes. Let's focus on the second. That is the application layer of Ubidots, end user application. So you have there a possibility to deploy your own app and have your own users. Those users are going to be assigned or segmented in what we call organizations. It's just a way to provide some hierarchy on your application. So users are going to be on organization, as well as dashboard, as well as devices, events, or limits. Let's jump on the organization side. Just a quick brief of this. So you find it on users tab also. And here we have Winterfell organization. Okay, it's just a brief of the organization. You can see the dashboards assigned to this, as well as the devices, events. You can limit the users, monthly users for this organization, the tokens, and users. Here we have Winterfell visitor. So this is all where you are going to segment your business logic.
Okay.
Let's say in most cases your end users are going to be on one single organization. Is that clear enough?
Yeah, it's clear for me.
Yeah, okay. So let's go back to users. I'm going to skip roles. It's just a way to assign permissions and get two magic links. So in this icon, the login as user icon, you can click on it and you have two options. One, let's do it first. This is the old way. You click with a manual login, select your app, and then click on OK on the green check mark, and then you go to the application of this user. It's just visualization user. As you can see, you cannot edit, you cannot create new dashboards, you cannot do almost anything. This is only going to work for those rental guys to see the information. They don't care about anything else but the information.
They care about the information.
Yeah,
exactly.
Nothing else. Yeah, so let's close it and go to using Magic Link here on the right. Again, we need to select the app. You could actually have several apps on several fronts, market fronts, but here we have only one. That is Winterfell's app, renting plant energy equipment. So we click on create Magic Link, and then we have it here. And what is next? Edit the configuration. You can then have your QR code and print it and put it on your equipment, on your device, so people can scan it and access our application. Or you may as well copy the Magic Link. So let's do that first. Okay, actually at the end. We already have it on our clipboard, and there are two additional options. One is ask for new password at login. This is going to prompt the user accessing through the QR code or the URL to enter a new password for their account. Okay, this is actually not necessary right now because they are not going to change the password. They just want to enter
to the application to visualize the data.
Visualize the data.
Yeah.
Nothing else. And then the second option is expired link and session on a certain date.
Perfect.
I'm going to activate this as we are going to leave it open for you guys or people who is going to see this video in the next 5-6 days. So they will access the Magic Link. Let me set it up here until
April.
I don't know when is that. What's Sunday?
Yes, Sunday, April.
Sunday. Yeah, here. Let's leave it until Monday.
You are in May.
Yeah.
You are in April.
Because April is going to end on.
No. April 29, I think so.
April, Tuesday.
Yeah, that is fine.
Yeah, I think Tuesday is nice at 12 a.m. So that's it.
Yeah, cool.
So this link is going to provide you everybody who wants to access this account until April 30. and you can use it as you want. And that's it. That is all the editing we need to do with magic links. Let's go back.
You don't have to save like the changes because here it say expires. Never.
Oh,
yeah.
This is weird. So here it is. I need to
the
select
date
again. On the
May.
This is May.
Mm-hmm.
No, I'm actually thinking on April.
3.
Here we go.
Okay.
And then we click here, and
yeah,
it should be safe. Okay. And now the third option, which is optional, you can email this magic link to your users. So you can input an email here, and actually you need to select this. This is new. This is new. I like it. I actually propose it.
really cool.
So I'm going to put actually yours, because you have your screen there. Do you have an email open here?
No.
We can open it. Okay, I'm going to email you, and I don't know how I put the arroba. Do you know how? Here it is, ubidots.com. And so the subject is going to be welcome to app name. Our app name is Winterfells, I think. We can check later. And the message is going to be hello username. So username is Winterfell visitor. And you have been invited to join app name again at URL. The
Perfect.
URL is exactly this. Okay. So here we go.
So now I should receive an email. I
Yep.
will.
Stand up and show how
and
the
also
email.
we can scan the QR code. To
Sure.
show. Yeah, with the phone.
Also.
So can you please give me a mouse? So here, guys, as you can see in the small screen on the right side, here I received a new email from.
This is going to be funny.
Yeah, from the Ubidots team, which says welcome to Winterfell.
I think you need to put it right on front.
Join the account, and I just accept the invitation, and I will automatically be redirected to the application, as you can see, the same one that we were
This is nice.
looking at the screen. So it's really cool, and I can just scan the QR code with my phone, and I will be redirected to the same page.
So let me grab this again.
Yeah, let's.
We can leave the camera on, because we are not going to use
Okay, cool,
the tower
perfect.
again. I like it. So let's go to Gmail, because I want to access from here. Can you share our screen? I mean, while also.
We're sharing this screen.
Because the delay.
You get
I was
confused.
with that. So you can access here. Nobody's going to see your password. That I see is quite long. So Ubidots team.
Yeah.
Just a quick reminder. Every user which has the white label add-on, these emails are going to be custom branded to their email.
Okay.
So you don't need to worry about getting an Ubidots email from Winterfell's, which is actually Winterfell's. That's going to be custom branded. So here it is. Welcome to Winterfell. The Ubidots team is something you need to set up on
your side.
Yeah, on your account. We didn't do it, but you can. And here's the magic link. I mean,
You just accept the invitation.
Yeah, I just want to see. Hello, Winterfell visitor.
Which is then the username.
The username. You have been invited to join Winterfell at. Here is the actual app. You can also customize this domain. This is not the scope of this presentation, but let's leave it like that. And then, if you click on accept invitation, you're going to be redirected to Winterfells. That's
really
awesome.
cool. And also, you can jump in the different dashboard assigned to that user, so they can see like the overview, the different plans, and it's really cool.
So, moving forward, I just want to reiterate that this is. I really like this feature because it's going to really ace the way you can invite your users to your application. It's not something like sharing your credentials. I mean, before this feature, you need to create the user with certain username, password, and then email it. I mean, no one wants to share credentials to their users. It's better to email them. Okay, so this is one option, and then we are going to test the QR. I mean,
yeah, we can test the QR.
I'm going to sign to log out, and what we are going to do is go back to Ubidots. I'm going to open again the magic link and go to using magic links. So you're going to stand up again.
Yeah.
I'm sorry to bother you.
No, don't worry.
Click.
So I'm going to open my camera,
Yep.
get closer to the screen, and scan the QR code. So if I scan the QR code, I get it here in my phone. I just open it, the URL, and again, redirected to the app.
That's really nice.
I really love it.
Yeah, it's quite easy, and we are going to
What?
prove. We're going to prove that on April the 30th.
30.
It's going to
These
expire.
links and QR code are going to expire.
Yeah,
Exactly.
going to expire. So if you want to look up and see the application, you can do it.
Feel free to enter.
Feel free to enter and see whatever information is there. And it's really nice.
Mm-hmm.
I think this is all. It's an easy feature. We also have a help center article that I'm going to.
It's in the right one, the second one.
You already did it. Yeah.
Yep.
So if you need further information or you want to read something instead of seeing a 15-minute video, here's a quick brief on how to use it. Just following the steps.
Yeah.
You're going to create, send, or customize your customize now. It's like something edit, like configure or set up
to set up the magic link in your application. Well, perfect. We don't have any questions, so I think we can end the session here.
Yeah.
I would love to give you guys, the session is now like a live session, but we're also going to transmit it on YouTube. So this video is going to be published, and we're going. What?
Wait a second. Are we going to share a code or something?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, yeah. I'm sorry to rush you.
No,
okay.
Don't worry. So we're going to share you a coupon code that you can claim for the following for the next 3 days to get 20 boxes in your Ubidots account to redeem and get any additional features that Ubidots doesn't provide. Well, here, let me share with you the coupon. So feel free to enter it in your accounts, in your sign up process, or in your profile session.
You can. I think there are two ways to redeem a coupon code. One is when you create the account. Actually, you can redeem it, or maybe if you forgot to do it, you can go to your profile, and then on the plan and billing section, that is on the left. Yeah, on the left. Then you select plan and billing, and they go all the way down to the section where you can redeem your code. And that's it. You're going to have $20, I think. Yeah. $20 on your account to spend it as you see fit.
Perfect. Do you want to show something else about the article?
No, actually no.
Okay,
I'm
so
okay. I think this is going to be the shortest Facebook live session we ever had, and that's great because I like to be like short. So see you next time.
Yeah, guys, thanks for joining us. And if you have any question about this feature or any other feature, of course, feel free to reach out to us, and we will happy to reply all your doubts, because that's why we are here, to make the things easier for you guys, and that is why Ubidots is built for.
Sure. So just one little more note.
Okay.
You can reach out us at support@ubidots.com, and that's it. We're going to be replying there.
Okay.
Bye. See you later.
See you later.